Hello guys, this is freezer thermometer. With this thermometer you can check your freezer's temperature. Like if you want to check your freezer is cooling well or not, then you can use this thermometer. And today in this video I will show you how to use this freezer thermometer, and I will also show you how this freezer thermometer looks. So let's get started. Here is our freezer thermometer. Let's open the box and take the product outside. Here we will remove the wrapper first, and after that here you will see the freezer thermometer, how it's beautiful. Its complete material is 430 stainless steel, and there is a very high resistance glass. And when we take a look into the dial, here you can see it can measure the temperature in both in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, and its temperature ranges from minus 20 degree Fahrenheit to 80 degree Fahrenheit. So if you want to measure the temperature of your freezer or fridge, then here you can see it can also measure the temperature in degree Celsius from minus 20 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius. Now I will show you how to use this thermometer, but before going to the live test, here you can see its temperature range. Like if your refrigerator like the bigger one is have a temperature from 0 degree to 5 degree, then it means it's good. But if it's more than 5 degree, from 5 degree to 20 degree, like, then it means it will only warm. So if you want so you have to take care, like your refrigerator should have the temperature between 3 degree to 5 degree Celsius. And now if we go to the freezing section of your fridge, then the temperature should be from minus 15 degree to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to see how this product works. Here is our freezer thermometer. Let's check it out. You can place the thermometer here inside the fridge, and now let's wait for some time, and then let's see. It's almost 10 minutes, and here you can see it's almost 3 to 5 degree Celsius and 35 to 38 degree Fahrenheit. And here in this way you can check your fridge temperature, and also we can check it out our freezer temperature. We can place the thermometer here or anywhere, and this temperature should be almost minus 10 to 20 degree Celsius or minus 15 to minus 18 degrees Celsius. So let's wait for some time. It's almost 10 minutes. So here we can see the temperature is almost minus 19 or minus 20 degree Celsius, and also 0 degree Fahrenheit. So it means our freezer is doing well and is perfectly fine. So in this way you can check your freezer or fridge temperature. Now if you like this thermometer and you want to buy this in bulk quantity, or you want a single piece directly from the factory, then you can contact us.